Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Sunday, October 16th, 11:25 a.m. New York time. Well, we're now passing the middle of the month for the month of October, halfway over. I'm going to show you the monthly charts and also show you the indexes, including the 30 stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The S&P 500 stock index is comprised of several indexes. So currently, the S&P 500 is red for the month, lower high, lower low, made a new low for the year. I'll say that again. The current S&P 500 index, 500 United States largest publicly traded companies, is trending down, made a lower high, lower low, and a new low for the year. The NASDAQ 100, same thing. The NASDAQ 100 index is also inside the S&P 500 index. Got it? Yes, the S&P 500 index is comprised of several indexes, which I'm showing you now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, one of the oldest indexes, and a very diversified index, same with the S&P 500, very diversified, currently is trending down, making a lower high. It also is green for the month, and this low here, 28.71585. So I'm going to do this here, horizontal line, yellow. And we did take it out a little bit. We went below it. So this month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year, trending down. But again, it's trading back inside the range prior. Got it? And also it's part of the S&P 500, if I didn't say that. The Dow Transports, well, again, it's part of the S&P 500. Trending down, lower high. It did not take out the low of last month. It's an inside candle, showing less bearish than all the other ones so far. The Dow Utilities, trending down, lower high, lower low, broke that prior low of the year, making a new low for the year. It's the worst performing index within the S&P 500 this year. It's also testing the midpoint from prior year there. And the OEX, which is the S&P 500, also trending down, lower high, lower low, red. The OEX is basically the top 100 companies within the S&P 500. Got it? So go looking here across the bat, right off the bat. Two things right away should take away. The Dow Jones is the only one trading green right now, where the Dow Transports, it's an inside candle, it's hollow, which is equivalent to a green. Yep. Correlation transports, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Yeah. So those are showing more leadership, especially this one, because it didn't take out the new low, the transports. Now let's go look at, compare the 30 stocks, alphabetical order of first their index they're in. The Dow Jones. Remember I said the Dow Jones made a new low for the year. These 30 stocks, not all of them are only in the Dow. Some of them are in the NASDAQ 100. But all these ones I'm about to show you are in the Dow. And of course, the Dow being inside the S&P 500. Of course, the NASDAQ being inside the S&P 500. Yep. And some of these also from the other indexes. So first, right off the bat, Apple. Again, monthly charts. Green for the month. Made a lower low, lower high than the prior month. But look, it's above the low of the year. So it's going better than the Dow. Dow made a new low for the year. the Apple did that some time ago and now has not taken it out. So it's a better leadership stock. Alpha Mike Goff November. There's the low for the year down here. And it's actually making a higher high, higher low for the year. Big difference. Got it? Big difference. Interesting. So right now, this is the best performing one. Alpha Mike Goff November. Out of all the indexes and all the stocks I'm just showing you, it's making a higher high, higher low for the month. Very nice. American Express, Alpha X-Ray Papa. Trending down, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. Boeing. Bravo Alpha. Look at that. Inside candle for the month. There's the low for the year. So it did not make a new low for the year. It's performing better than the index, performing better than many of the stocks. Of all things, Boeing. Wow. Caterpillar, Charlie Alpha Tango. Inside candle for the month also. Last month it made a lower low, lower high. This month made a lower high, but it's inside candle. That is Caterpillar, Charlie Alpha Tango. Charlie Romeo Mike. New low for the month. Lower low, lower high. Trend is down. Charlie Sierra, Charlie Oscar, Cisco. New low for the year. Yeah, the trend is down. Look at that. Tested that midpoint also. That's technology. Charlie Victor X-Ray. Chevron. Look at that. Green for the month, making higher high, higher low. Big difference. That was two of them we identified, making higher highs, higher lows. Disney, Delta, India, Sierra. Red for the month. Lower high, lower low. Trend is down. Did not take out the low of the year yet, which was there a few months ago. Dow Chemical. Green for the month. Trend is down. Lower low, lower high. Goldman Sachs also. Trend is down. Lower low, lower high. There was the low of the year. Those two tweezer bottoms. Supply zone buyers there, and that's what's happening again. It's nice. Home Depot, Hotel Delta, inside candle for the month. Inside candle for the month. Look at those big tails on the bottom. That's a demand zone. Buyers are there, and it's testing again demand zone. But again, we didn't take out the low for the month. Honeywell. Let's shorten this a little bit. Let's take it to 3 years, so I don't have to keep zooming in. See how that looks. Honeywell, inside candle for the month. Yep. Last month was the low of the year. Interesting. So maybe having a turnaround this one too. Let's go here. There we go. IBM, new low for the month. Trend is down, new low for the year. Not a surprise. Intel, new low for the year. Yeah. Extremely bearish. Johnson & Johnson. Well, made a new low for the month. Lower low, lower high. Trend is down. There's a low for the year. Did not take that out again. JP Morgan. Remember, had Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, some out of this. Goldman Sachs right there. There was the low of the year. So that was some time ago. Going back to JP Morgan. JP Morgan made a new low for the year. It's even worse than Goldman Sachs. Coca-Cola. New low for the year. Trend is down. McDonald's, inside candle for the month. There's a low of the year right down here prior. 3M, Mike. New low for the year. Merck, higher high, higher low. Big reversal. There's the low for the year, which was the second month of the year. Big turnaround. That's good. So far we already see 3 of them that are making higher highs, higher lows. Microsoft, Mike Sierra, Foxtrot Tango, new low for the year, trending down. Nike, November Kilo Echo, new low for the year. Procter Gamble, Papa Goth, new low for the year. Look at that. This was a demand zone last year. Small tills, big impulse move up, and that's where we are right now. So watch this one with cautiously. Maybe it will repeat. I say that again. You might have that same opportunity. If you bought down here or bought within these first 2 months, you might have that opportunity again. I would set alerts and watch this monthly, weekly, actually. Tango Romeo Victor. Last month was the low of the year. This one's turning around higher, high, higher, low. Nice. That's Travelers, another financial one. Interesting. Uniform November Hotel. Yeah, made a lower high, lower low. Trend is down, but there's a low for the year right down here. Visa, another financial one. New low for the year. These financial ones. Oof. Verizon, Victor, Zulu, new low for the year. Huge sell-off. Just a knockdown, smackdown. Let's look at AT&T. Also, new low for the year. Whiskey Bravo Alpha, new low for the year. And Walmart, Whiskey Mike Tango. Made it a lower high, lower low. Trend is down, but that was the low of the year over here. So again, if you're buying single stocks, I just showed you who the leadership for, making higher highs, higher lows. If you're buying indexes, I just showed you 2 of the indexes that are the best from the major indexes, the Dow Transports. And if you looked at my prior video, I showed you 11 sectors, the 11 sectors of the S&P 500. So if you want to invest in those instead of the individual indexes, that's another opportunity. Yep, another opportunity. Those are much more sector related. Of course, that's why they're called sectors. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.